In today's video, we're going to show you how to recover deleted emails on Outlook. If you've accidentally deleted an email or want to retrieve something you thought was lost, we've got you covered. So let's get started. First, open your web browser or open Outlook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now go to the mail view if you're not already there. On the left sidebar, locate and click on the deleted items folder. This is where Outlook places emails you've deleted recently. Browse through the emails in the deleted item folder. If you see the email you want to recover, simply right click on it and select Move to Inbox or another folder where you want it to be restored. Clicking Move will give you options to place the mail back into your inbox or any other folder of your choice. Once you've selected where to move it, the email will be restored to that folder. If the email is not in the deleted items folder, it might be permanently deleted, but there's still hope. In Outlook 2024, you can recover emails that have been emptied from the deleted items folder. To do this, you go to the folder tab on the top menu and select recover deleted items. A window will pop up showing emails that are eligible for recovery. Browse through this list to find the email you want to restore. Select the email and click recover selected items. And that's it. You've successfully recovered deleted emails in Outlook.